In order to block someone on Facebook Messenger application and stop them from sending you messages and calls, follow the steps. First, go ahead, open your Facebook Messenger, launch it, and make sure that you are logged in. Now open the chat of the person that you want to block, tap on their conversation, or search for their name using the search bar. Now tap on their name or the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down, and there you'll see the block option that is between restrict and report under the privacy and support section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on block, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. You can see the indication that this person has been blocked on my Facebook. Now further, you can go ahead and report this conversation, or you can delete it from your device. If you want to unblock this user, go ahead, simply open the conversation and then tap on unblock again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's how to block someone on Facebook Messenger and stop their chats and calls. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.